Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kibor penya jaga skol ba North Eastern Hill University hau kurwa balapha shilar pathai kubor hakar photri ujulew arachar arpusan klapintip bahaga biade bakaki jong Professor and Saha katkum ki rule but regulation la Sospon u hadien bola Shah set along hadu sahu prakenta hadi geding syakyam haka Central Bureau of Investigation. Ukurwa balapha du Public Relations Officer ka skol ba Nehu u Professor David Umdor uliat hu hadien balayo pedang ke jing pintip na ka CBI ka skol ba Nehu la penmi ka shithi bala Sospon balapha ro shu Professor Saha. Kumban chipin kan mau baga Central Bureau of Investigation haga khatwai trek ujuliw arachar arpusan klakem ki arngut ki briu bakin thop yu Professor Saha but uwe uriu shimet utra jong kuwe ka company kabadan Guwahati Assam halor ka jingkenno bakishim ya pisa ka ba lai points of lilac Guwahati University guest house. Kakum ki ejahar ya ki bla sha kenno lai thokar teng kumu Professor Nirma Lindu Saha baru Pranjal Sharma Bushong Basa Habishnu Rabha Pat Beltola Guwahati. Ka CBI ka register case ha ka kharwai trek ujuliw arjar arpusan da ka pinsyong nongrim hagi tilong jingtip lakenno bauriu shimen ube trelang baru Professor Jongka Zoology ubaderu udin juga School of Life Sciences Nehu baki wepat ki bamla bantip klale ikam bamsab ki belong bean. Ka CBI ka balapan upshrip kalakem yu unong Shah ujor bar khenraru haki arli ki jaka ha ka balalap yaki kot ki slabadan kam bakajing tokit halokani kadang ya chakmat.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs. This is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.